Really did not like that one. You've seen Summer's worst Christmas outfits. Now here are her worst Christmas hats. Let's start off with this awful elf hat. Looks kind of like a Viking elf or something. Okay, enough of that one. Next up is this embarrassing but festive unicorn headband. And here we have this terrible reindeer thing. And lastly, the Christmas tree hat that became one of her silliest holiday cards. So which one did you think was the most ridiculous? We're dying to know. Wait, bye-bye. Let me fix that. Wardrobe malfunction.